Today is March 20th. It's the first day of spring. Let's get ready for warmer weather and sunnier skies.
Oh, it's been a couple of weeks. I'm still not used to daylight saving time.
Today is April 3rd. The flowers are growing and I'm sneezing so much. Achoo!
Today is April 17th. There's a light drizzle outside. You know what they say, April showers bring May flowers. Today is April 29th. I saw a mommy cub with 4 kittens at my yard. Today is May 14th. I can see so many leaves and flowers growing. Today is June 10th. I can feel summer just around the corner. Today is June 21st. The skies are gray, also known as June glue. Today is June 30. I just went for a swim, and the water feels so nice. It's the 4th of July. You better get those hot dogs again. Today is July 22nd. The leaves on the trees are turning dark green, and the fruits are ripe.
Today is August 6th. Make sure you stay inside. You can cook an egg on the ground with this heat.
Today is August 14th. When is this heat gonna end? Look how sick I am! Today is August 26th. It's a perfect beach day, so don't forget your sunscreen.
Today is September 13th. It's Bring Your Own Cup Day at 7-Eleven, and I'm bringing this.
Today is September 22nd. I'm so ready to have a pumpkin spice latte.
Today is October 1st. The leaves are changing color and falling to the ground.
Today is October 21st. It's freezing in the morning. It's blazing hot in the afternoon. I can't keep up.
It's October 14th. It's Halloween. Today's November 18th. It's so windy, I'm gonna get blown away. It's November 26th. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody.
Today is December 15th. It's partly cloudy and 75 degrees. It's the perfect California day to go to Disneyland.
It's December 21st. It's getting colder. I can feel the holidays right around the corner.
Today is December 25th. Happy Hanukkah and happy Christmas and happy all the other holidays. Get ready for a weird week of nothing until
Happy New Year! It's very nice. Better stay in your house because there's a blizzard outside. Today is January 16th. I just built an army as snowman. Today is February 2nd. It's Groundhog Day and I hope he doesn't see his shadow. Today is February 12th. I just baked some more cookies to enjoy with my hot chocolate.
Today is February 27th. It's not too hot and it's not too cold. I can't choose between ice hockey or street hockey.